Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts. Good news, retail is coming back. We can see it over here this week especially. Retail is coming back to exchanges, to everything, to crypto. This is NFT. NFTs are topping now, I would say. So yeah, especially, this one, new weekly Twitter followers of crypto exchanges, big rise over here. And that basically means retail is coming back, something we need exactly. The thing is, retail is, I think, always crazy about altcoins. So alt season is maybe around the corner. The Dixie, nice and weak. For me, usually in a sideways market, the S&P, ES1 futures open on a Sunday is a great scallop. Wait till they open, see what they do, gap up or gap down. If they gap up, you buy. That's basically what I do. The Dixie over here, the Dixie looking nice and weak, just how we like it. On some support over here, weak, this is support, this is support, this is important support. And we just want to see it break down, going to zero. S&P 500, let's take a quick look, or the ES1 futures, yeah, extremely high. Volume is declining, that is scary. And the thing is, we do look at S&P 500, we do look at the Dixie because it does correlate with Bitcoin. Bitcoin over here on a weekly time frame because, it's Sunday. Really good close if we close above 50k, let's say. And like from the VPVR, I would still say 53k if we close it over here. Looking mighty good, one of the higher closes. We're closing above these lows over here. So that's extremely good. Let's go take a look at the dailies. And you can see this one is, this is an important level over here with these closes over here. A lot of volume done over here, and right now we're above it, and I'm expecting us to go over here 53k. The thing is, the only thing is fundings as soon as we're up, they go rocket up, and right now they're quite low. I usually look at this indicator, when we see discounts on Bybit, it is just a good time to buy some. And that is how I trade, how I scalp right now. Premiums are low, very low, and that is usually a good time to buy. So right now it is looking very good. Funding period in a couple of minutes. In a couple of minutes. Basically when this video goes live, then it's the funding period. And funding periods usually, when fundings are this high, see a little bit of a dip. And that is because people do not want to pay funding, and it's mostly the big guys doing that. BitMEX funding is completely fine. Bybit rising, but it's totally fine. Looking good over here. Solana, I'm not trading Solana. Little bit of a bull flag in the making. This is support. I'm not that interested in Solana over here. It's just extremely high. Ethereum looking good over here, I would say. Thing is, Ethereum has extremely high fundings. This level here, is basically these highs. These highs over here are great support right there. More importantly, we have support over there, support over here for Ethereum BTC kind of in an important spot right here and on a higher time frame. It looks like a complete chat. Look at this, guys. This is on the daily. Higher highs again, after some higher lows compared to this one. Higher lows over here, higher low. And they made a big bull flag over here, and right now they're making a bull flag again and going for higher highs compared to these. So Ethereum BTC looking completely fine. The only thing with BTC is that, or Ethereum, sorry, is that fundings are high. Step is a chat. Let's zoom out. I'm trading Step. It has something to do with Solana. Has some resistance over here, But I mean, this is just extremely effing bullish. So STEP is looking good. STEP is a great buy. Litecoin, I mean, this area will be a little bit of resistance, you know, considering the VPVR, but this high, you know, would be a target for me for LTC. LTC, BTC, let's take a look. Yeah, clear breakout. Resistance, you know, is, I would say, over here. That is where I would trade it to, over here, 0.005. Rook complete chat, not that interesting. Interest in Rook is, let's see, Doge is a Doge. Doge is looking extremely good over here as well. Basically this. And, you know, once they make that higher high compared to that one, it is this one. And, you know, if you want to have a stop, you put it over there. So right now, it's still a great buying opportunity. I know this is a very zoomed out chart, but I mean, let's put it like this. Right now, great buying opportunity. Break of this trend line. Target over here. And yeah, guys, whales really draw stuff like this. Like I said, you know, we want to see discounts. We do not want to see premiums. We want to see low fundings. But in a bull market, when stuff is coming on, you know, I mean, we're just buying the little shakeouts, and that is what we do. And I think this one will show pretty much greed. It's not even that bad, but that's the state of things. Leaning bullish, retail is coming back. Shakeouts are a big thing now with fundings this high. So guys, happy trading. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and see you guys again tomorrow.